Hello guys, welcome to Cloud Revolution. I am Mukesh. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code, aka VS Code on Windows. So let us get started. To install VS Code, we need to go to web browser. It can be anything like Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Here we will search for install VS Code. Here we will go to official VS Code downloads page. So let's open it. And here in the downloads page, it will show you all the packages for different operating systems. For Windows 8, 10, and 11, you can install this one. For Debian and Ubuntu type OS, you can install the Debian package. For Red Hat, Fedora, SUSE Linux, you can install it RPM package. And for Mac OS, you can download this one. It is self-explanatory. For my Windows system, 64-bit package, as my system is 64-bit, so I'm selecting this one. It is downloading now. Let us wait and see. Download completed. Now let us open it. Let us open it. Now check the option, accept the agreement, and click on next. Next. Add to the path. So you have to enable this. Then only it will be installed and we can access VS Code terminal. And if you want a desktop icon, you can check that option. Or if you want to option called open with code in the Windows Explorer, when you right click, you can check these options. I'm checking all these options. And click on next and install. As you can see, VS Code installation is completed. You can check the option launch Visual Studio Code if you want to open VS Code after installation. Now click on finish. As you can see, VS Code is installed. And you can customize this according to your need. Here you can install extensions like Python or Jupyter. Also, you can search them here. For example, Kubernetes. You can install according to your need. That is it for this video, everyone. I hope everyone got it. If you have doubts, please comment down below. Also, please like and subscribe to the channel.